We are right in the middle of the year. And as we are right in the middle of the year, angeke ngikhole ukuthi the way I am so excited. Uke wabona umuntu abe excited ngendaba ekungesiyona eyakhe. Ebe excited ngeindaba zabantu. Ngento ekufanele achieve omunye umuntu kodwa wena ube excited. That's me, guys, being excited, ne? Those of you who have been in this channel for a while now will know ukuthi last year I met up with this young man. I met with this young man, and when I met with this young man, ngimthole khona la on the YouTube streets. On the YouTube streets, uma ngihlangana naye boy, yo, let me first tell you ukuthi sihlangane kanjani. Okokuqala ngihlangana naye on the YouTube streets, ngimbona on other channels wabanye abantu, and as you know, as we all met him ukuthi kwamanye ama channels ufikile wasixoxa story sakhe, not kwamanye ama channels, on only one channel. Yeah, on 2 channels. Wafike wasixoxa story sakhe, mekasixoxa story sakhe. Samuzwa nasekhosini ukuthi hayi indaba yakhe isuka kephi ihamba kephi, ama challenges wempilo ahambile wadlula kuwona and everything. I'm just taking care of his zami, guys. Phela I am in my 40s, so there is no way I am not going to take care of his zami. Yabona lezi ziqhomo lezi zihleke endaweni ezikude nezibaluleke kabi. So if you want to try this one out, it's called anti-wrinkle collagen. That is how I just take care of my face. But most especially is that I put a lot of makeup when I shoot, because mangabe shoot sihlala under a lot of lights. Lama lights maningi ayashita, they are right on top of you. So there is no way you can shoot a podcast for 5 hours, whatever time is shooting the whole day, and the lama lights angabi na effect on you because they have a direct, you know. So I just try guys. So I just buy these from any health outlets if you're wondering what is on my chromos at the moment. Yeah, so it's collagen. I'm just trying to replace the elasticity. And remember, episodes sometimes they can go from anything from laughing to emotional. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I become a mother on those episodes. Sometimes I just become everything. So Uzanele Matenja. So ngam adopta boy. How did I meet him? So ngimhlangane naye khona la on the YouTube streets. Ngimbona kwenye amanye ama channels, ngaphinde ngambona futhi enye clippingana nje encane kwenye amanye ama channels. Yeah, abanye bamzwile ngisho nasokhosini, mina ngizange ngimuzwe ke sekhuluma okhosini, kodwa nje ngambona kule channel A1 khona la on YouTube. And then udaba lakhe really touched my heart to a point that le channel engangimbone kuyona babeshiye i-account number ukuthi bazomsiza uZanele. They are going to build a house for ifamily yakhe, they are going to help. Yabona nje babe abantu ababezomsiza ngezinto eziningi, kodwa ke asikho lapho ngoba engifuna ukuveza ukuthi I am one of the donors that ended up taking that contact details of umnikazi we-channel and the banking details, where I volunteered ukuthi okay, it's fine, let me be the one of the people abazomsiza lo mntana. So I even set aside, I don't want to lie, it wasn't a massive budget, but ngoba kwakuphuma othandweni and futhi kwaqhamuka from where la engangizothi mangabe ngikuthatha khona mina, I could, it's an amount that I could have used for something else useful, but I set aside that budget ngathi le ekaZanele each and every month ngizofaka kule account ekuthiwa kufakwa kuyona ngoba kusizwa umndeni wakhe. I think ngafaka, guys, for about, disclaimer, angiyenzi le video ukwenza omunye umuntu abuke kabi or ukudincelela isithunzi phansi senye i-channel or for whatever reasons, but ngiyenzela lento engifuna ukunitshela yona ngayo. So uma ifika kulabantu bale channel le ngikhuluma ngayo, ngicela bangaphatheki kabi, kodwa at the end of the day it's the facts. So ngicabanga ukuthi, guys, ngafaka lapha imali, ngadonate for about 3-4 months if I'm not mistaken. And umnikazi we-channel benginayo inamba yakhe, communicate, how is Zanele doing, how is it going and everything. Oh my gosh, what a touching story. what a child who grew up under the circumstances that are really, really challenging and everything. Yeah, la i-communication iqale khona ukumosheka khona is when I started asking about the progress, because I mean, like, ngangi-wrong yini guys ukubuza? Ngicela ningiphendule kuma-comment section. Ngangi-wrong ukubuza. Here I am, ngiyadonate, whether ngidonate u-R2 noma whether ngidonate u-50 cent, kodwa I have a right to ask ukuthi ithini i-progress. Seyitholakele isite, usoyakhiwe umuzi, how is the child doing? Umntwana sesiwe kuma-psychologist usathola ukululeka ngezengqondo, umntwana uyanakekeleka. Yabona yonke leyo nto leyo, if you are a concerned citizen that is contributing, you will want to know. It's normal. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngayilahla lapho-ke umuntu ngasuke ngabuza ukuthi i-progress ithini, and then i-communication yaqala ukubreaka down, and ngabona ukuthi i-communication iqalile ukubreaka down. Ngase ngiyabuza futhi ukuthi ngingakwazi yini ukuthola amanamba wakhe ngikhulume naye direct, because I felt ukuthi there is more adinga ukusizakala ngako than just i-shelter nokudla and other things that he had highlighted ukuthi uyazidinga empilweni. Nenamba futhi kwabanzima Nkosi yami ukuyithola, thanks to social media platforms, ukuthi it so happened ukuthi kanti at that time there was a so-called foundation ayiseyivuliwe ngegama lakhe, wafaka ama-contact details wakhe. Ngizohamba ngihambe ngihlangane nayo somewhere in these social media streets. Ngoba ngiyayithanda i-social media. Ngayithola inamba yakhe, ngamfonela umntwana, hayibo uyena. Hayi, sakhuluma nomntwana up until waze wafika kweyami-ke manje podcast. Masikhuluma naye kwi-podcast kwavela izinto eziningi-ke enganginemibuzo yazo okungaphenduleki ukuthi ususizakele, indlu yakhiwe, kunjani, kodwa ngangekho-ke lapho. I was just asking because I was one of the people ababekhiphe their hard-earned cash to contribute. Angisho ukuthi laba ababesicontributisa kuma-account wabo mhlampe khona bangakwenzanga, bakwenza mhlawumbe akufikelelanga la kufanele kufikelele khona, kodwa-ke mina iy'mpendulo engazithola kwaba ukuthi hayi bandla, hayi, izinto eziningi izinto azenzekanga, but babekwazile ukumtholela okunye okwakuyisidingo kuyena, kodwa-ke ngangingekho lapho. Kodwa into engiletha la namhlanje kakhulu is an excitement to tell you ukuthi uZanele is doing umatric and we are right in the middle of the year. He just told me ukuthi they are doing ama-trials at this point in time, and I am gonna do a series. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a very mini story series of iLife kaZanele, and the reason I am doing that mini story series, all the 5 cents and 2 bobs and 2 rands that YouTube azongipha wona, I'm going to take yonke lo masentshanyana engizothola from that, and then ngicontribute ekutheni uZanele akwazi ukuthi aye e-tertiary. Kodwa ngimtshelile naye ukuthi lalela-ke boy, you have to work very hard on, oh my gosh, trust me. He is working very hard indeed. I told him, just make me proud, work very hard, and pass very well, because you are going to be the first seed from your mother's womb. And let me tell you a secret. Nkosi yami, akazange asho ukuthi nginitshele, kodwa ngizonitshela ngoba nina nomndeni wethu njengamanje. uZanele told me ukuthi kubantwana bakhe bonke bakamamakhe, he has been umntwana wokuqala ngqa ukufika ka-matric. How is that? For breaking generational curses. Yazi guys, uNkulunkulu mkhulu. Uzoba umntwana wokuqala kamamakhe ukufika ka-matric aqede aphase. And if leli phupho lami lokuthi akwazi ukuthi afikelele ahambe angene e-tertiary, uzoba umntwana wokuqala kamamakhe ukunyathela nje ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme. Angisayiphathi-ke graduation. Yo, angazi. Kungathi ngavele nje ngidayise yonke into enginayo ukubona uZanele ejabule. I don't know. I love that kid, guys. I just love him so much. Angifuni ukukhala because ngizama ukulungisa iy'qomo zami, kodwa I'm getting emotional, but I love him so much, guys. Ngiyacela ukuthi uma ngabe sengiyenza le series, it's gonna be a series ezodlala nje for only 2 weeks. Ngizokwenza ama-short stories nge-life yakhe, and then after that, if kuna somebody ongangisiza ukwenza an animated short story ngempilo yakhe, please come forward. Maybe you are a graphic designer student, maybe you are in an animation qualification, please come forward, then we can do these projects together. And I will try to compensate you. I don't have much, but I will try to compensate you. But look at it this way, when you're with experience as a graphic design student or as an animation student, and at the same time, you'll be getting an exposure because I will put your name down and I will even give you a good reference on your CV, you've worked on this project. Because remember, I'm an academic by profession, so I know how to give good references. Let us do this together, guys. And with the family, and with the life graduates that are here to make a difference in, I don't know, but I'm super excited. Please help me do this. Graduate, no. I'm saying yabo. Get excited kakhulu. But if you are a graphic designer student, if you are an animation student, and if you're into robotics and you know how to create Popeye and things like that, please 071 941 9417 071 941 9417. Ngifuna ungisize senze nje only a series ena 10 episodes ezokhuluma nge-life kaZanele Mathenjwa, because this is highly educational, izosiza abantu abaningi. And at the same time, wonke lawo ma-videos lawo u-YouTube mengabe esengipha amasentshanyana lawa asipha wona from ads, from ama-adverts, engicelayo ukuthi ungawaskiphi ama-adverts uma ubuka i-content yami, ngoba mina ngenza umehluko emphakathini, right? Here is the evidence. Zanele Mathenjwa is the first evidence. So let us do this together. Yeah. So please do come forward. Graphic designer student, animation student, robotics. You know how Double Popeye online. You've got a good AI tool that we can use. Please come forward. We'll do this project together. And won't allow my students to work from low projects. Leo, I am saving them towards register tertiary ngo-2026. Sesiqalile sinozanele siya-apply. Ngeke nginitshele ukuthi ufuna ukuyokwenzani. Ngicabanga ukuthi leyo sizoyi-reveala uma ngabe esephase u-year 1 e-university. Ngicela ungayi-reveal at the moment ukuthi ufuna ukwenza. Ngithi, you know what they say about revealing things prematurely. But at this point in time, it's June. I'm excited ukuthi usekaphakathi noJune ubhala ama-trials wakhe, and as abhala ama-trials wakhe, we're looking forward to the end of the year ukuthi aqede abhale nama-exams aphase boy, and then makaphasa ngifuna aye e-university. I'm gonna make sure that happens. Uzongena kona ukungena e-university ukuthi uzokwenze njani moving forward, ama-fees uzowakhokhela ngani, angazi no-NSFAS useyobona ukuthi wenza kanjani, amabhasari makuthi kodwa nje engikwaziyo mina ukuthi uZanele Mathenjwa is gonna go to tertiary, uzoyi-breaka le generational curses yesisu sikama wakhe, abe uqala ukuba no-matric, abe uqala ukungena e-university aphase, abe uqala ukushintsha isimo sokubo, isimo sonke sasekhaya kubo. And nomama wakhe uZanele mangimfonela mangikhuluma naye ngimtshela ngithi, mama ngicela ukuthi ukubambe lokho ikhanda lakho and ukukhulekele nawe njengomzali ukuthi le iyona ngane eyokunceda ukushintsha isimo sempilo yakho as a whole. uNkulunkulu akakunikanga lo mntwana onje ngephutha. Ayikho nencane into errong ngaye. Ne? So ngiyanicela ke guys, I am urging to this family of life graduates ukuthi let us make it happen for uZanele. It will. Ayikho into eyefudumeza inhliziyo yami njengokumbona. I-matric dance anginandaba la, futhi nangamtshela anginandaba ne-matric dance. I-matric dance yaka-matric is for the during in the middle of the year. Ucwebe beni lo. Mina into enginendaba nayo i-graduation yakho. And I'll make sure that it goes viral. So help me do that. Let's help Zanele become something out of nothing. Love and peace.